I don't know if you guys know this, but the best way to get profile visits on your LinkedIn profile is not through outreach or even posting on LinkedIn, but it's actually through commenting on thought leaders, ICP. The bottom line is commenting in a tactical, value driven way so you can reach bigger audiences into your profile. This works best if you have a nice profile with a nice header, a handsome face that shows your value and shows that you serve these clients who have that pain point. In this video, I'm going to show you an AI comment bot that we sold for $1,000 on top of the growth solution we already offer. I'm going to show you how we built it, the system and how it operates, and why it's not completely automated. So I'm very excited to show you guys this. Let's get into it. So this is our client's LinkedIn profile view statistics. As you can see, he was getting about 40, 70, 30, around 30 to 50 profile views in any given week. And after we came in and implemented this comment solution, which was last week, he more than doubled his profile viewers in the week we started working with him. And in this week alone, he's gotten triple the profile viewers through this AI comment system. So you can see the results are there. The profile viewers are going up, and that just means more clients and more money if you're commenting in the right way. The way the comment system works, so the way it works is we've set up a Slack channel with our client and myself, where every 8 hours, we're getting a batch of 6 post and comment pairs that Andrew should engage with on LinkedIn. So these posts are being automatically scraped with a scraper we set up, and we are generating a comment that Andrew should comment. And the generated comment is an AI agent that is trained on his persona, on his LinkedIn profile, on his company data, on his past comments, on his past posts. So it's really an AI that is trying to be just like Andrew. And you can see that there is a generated comment from Andrew here. So this Slack channel just serves to notify us, but we really work off the Airtable. So the Airtable, everything is organized in a nice way. You have the LinkedIn profile, and you have the comment that we should comment that was generated. And we're also keeping track of what's been commented on, what's not been commented on. As you can see, the last batch I haven't gotten to just yet, but super simple. You will just copy the link, put it in here, head over to the post. You can see it's something about elevating your brand, and our client, he uses design to make agencies have better branding. So we would take this comment that he made, copy C, control V. And here's why I don't automate the commenting process completely. You see, the comment the AI generated is relevant, it's on topic, it has a nice tone, but it doesn't feel human-like. It's way too perfect. That's not how people really talk. I guess we all have mistakes, you can say. And the second part is you need comments that actually provide insight and that actually build authority with the value you're providing. An AI agent, all it has knowledge of is the internet. But Andrew, the actual UX UI designer, he has years of experience in branding, in advertising, and building designs. And that specialized knowledge can't be replicated by AI. So these comments are just a starting point, and we just go in here, or Andrew goes in here, he adds in a bit more insight, a bit more value, and he makes it more catered, like a real person commented it. So this entire system is getting you 99% the way there. It's finding the posts to comment on based on keyword searches and industry leaders, and it's generating a comment that's super on point and it basically is summarizing the post into a positive response. So 99% of the way we're there. You just need to edit it up to make it value driven and more tactical. That's literally the entire system, and we can go into how we built it. This is a low code thing on make.com. And there's two parts. The first part is scraping a LinkedIn search, like a specific keyword search term like Web3 design, Webflow design, elevating brands, agency branding, and we're just generating a LinkedIn search, scraping the results that are coming in. So I'm scraping the stuff through rapidapi.com. This is an open source API library. They got a lot of LinkedIn data scrapers available there. There's a free plan, there's a paid plan. So you can check out rapidapi.com and get the scraper you want. So we're scraping all the results that we're getting from our LinkedIn search. This is just an AI who is being given a list of search terms that are all relevant to our client's ICP and industry and his TAM, his addressable market, whatever. We're generating a random search term from one of these, and that's being done through a random variable. We're scraping the results, going into a for loop. For each post, we're generating a comment through an Andrew persona. So this is the AI agent that's trained on Andrew's personality. We're just telling him who Andrew is, his LinkedIn profile, his website, his headline, his LinkedIn content, and we're just giving him the goal, which is to reach his ICP. You'll receive a post that is related to design or his ICP. You just need to generate a comment about it. Make sure that it's short and sweet. Make sure to be like a human. Really sound like a human. Even though you can tell it 100 times to sound like a human, it won't sound completely like a human. So that's where we come in and fix that up with a manual step. And the rest of the messages are examples of previous posts and comments that Andrew has made himself. So this is literally Andrew's actual posts and comments. And we're just telling the AI, this is what your output should be looking like. And we give a bunch of examples. Lastly, we have this one where it's like, hey, this is the post details, and generate the comment. We're also giving it the image of the post. So the image attached to the post. So this is a video, this wouldn't work. But if you have an image on a post, the AI can actually understand that image when it's generating the comment. So that's the Andrew persona. We're generating, I think, for each scraped post. So there's going to be like 30 generated comments. And then we have an AI step here. We're telling GPT, yo, we got a bunch of comments we just generated for Andrew. This is Andrew, by the way. This is who he is. This is his goal. We want you to take all these posts and comment pairs and only output the top 2 highest ROI and getting qualified traffic to his profile. So obviously the AI can't be like a human who's manually getting the best posts to comment on, but we can't just sit through and look at 60 different posts a day and comment through 60 posts or figure out which ones are worthy to comment to. So this is a great way to slash that time and get a solution that's 80% of the way there. So we're choosing the best 2 comments, and that's the first part. We have 2 comments that are catered towards search key terms, search words. The next part is industry thought leaders. So if we click this, I have a list of LinkedIn profiles that are thought leaders in our client's industry. For each and every thought leader, we're scraping their latest post with another rapidapi.com scraper. And for each and every thought leader's latest post, so there's 2 for loops, we are going to do that same Andrew persona generated comment with the AI. It's the same AI over there and over here. So we're generating a comment for each and every thought leader based on their latest post. And once we have a list of, I think, 12 comments, so we're following 12 thought leaders in this example. So with that list of 12 thought leaders over here, 1, 2, 11, we are choosing the top 4. Same thing as before. We're letting AI decide which are the highest ROI posts to go and comment on. So now we have a top 2, we have a top 4, combining them into a top 6, and then we're notifying the homies, we're notifying everyone on Slack that we have these 6 comments we can use, and then we are formatting the raw top 6 list into a structured JSON data list, which is pretty neat. By the way, this is a sick use case of AI in general, which is just formatting raw data into structured data. But yeah, for each and every post in the top 6, we're pushing them into our Airtable. So that's what I showed you before. We have the Slack notification, which is batches of 6 comments every 8 hours. If you see on the make.com, this is automatically running every 8 hours. And that's coming into our Slack. But really, we work off of the Airtable because it's so much more organized and neat. We come in here, copy the post, take the comment, go there, put in that comment, edit it up, spice it up, and yeah, just very, very streamlined way to consistently get out 12 high ROI comments every single day. And that's tripled. Yeah, this week his profile views actually tripled just from this system. And yeah, that's pretty much the entire system, this make.com. It's been running for 10 days and we've seen great success. We sold it for $1,000 on top of our solution we actually sold him. So pretty valuable solution. I'm sure I can sell for more if you can maybe even improve it or sell it to someone who really wants it. You can sell it for even more. Hope you guys found value in the system. If you want me to break things down more, you can always contact me at my email. And that's all. Peace out.